Hi YouTube, I am Sujit from Advanced Excel Training Center and welcome to our this video tutorial where you learn the complete Advanced Excel and VBA microprogramming. So today we discuss about the one question. We can got the one question from the Excel forum for the copy and paste the data on one conditions. This I am the question is I am looking for the VBA code copies the data from the one Excel worksheet to another based on the condition. The code has identified the value in the column C and then only copy the data if see the following format XX-XS where is the numeric X numeric only. So we have the I have the download the data and this is the data and persons want to the copy the data and paste the another sheet just like sheet 2 and where is the 10-20 there is the 10-20 yeah it means we have there where is the dash any conditions. So now start the VBA programming how can write the code. Okay, go to the Visual Basic and here the modules. Copy data. I have changed this data. But before the starting the topic, I request you if you watch our video the first time, so please subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell icon. In future, I have uploaded more and more videos. Daily basis, I have uploaded 20 to 50 videos on YouTube on my YouTube channels. If you subscribe my channel, then got the daily basis with 20 and 50 videos. And we can also provide the online classes, online live interactive classes for the advanced Excel and VBA microprogramming. So let's start. So we have defined the one range here, okay, dim R as a range. We have loop for R for each R in selection. And next and we also apply right here dim C as a integer and apply here C equal to application dot worksheet function dot count if and we have in the R and where the we have just like we have applied the dash. You can also write your own character which character you want to create but not at all. We have in the stack key the contain that can contain anywhere in your in the cell you have the dash yeah which you type the which you enter your value as per your according your conditions your data will be counting and count result is stored in the C. And we have applied the condition if C if C is greater than equal to 1 it means have a finding then range range r dot comma r dot offset and 0 row and column. We have the column has 0 to 17 dot copy sorry missed the bracket and we have paste on the sheet 2. So right, uh, give the year, range A65,000 dot and XLS up dot offset 1 comma 0 dot paste special. Say one by one we have paste here in the another sheet. Write their sheet here, sheets and sheet 2. So our code will be perfectly work, and before the run your macro need to select your data and macros and run the macros. Oh sorry, next R. Here is the next R. Data will be pasted. Which have data dash. But I want to which have data 11 dash 11 dash. That time we have change here dash 11 dash. We have the second to our dash 11 dash data have been copied. So I hope you this video according your requirement. And if you have any doubts, any confusions in the Excels, you can directly call me, WhatsApp me, and Skype me on this number. And you want to learn the our classes, you want to learn the complete Excel and VB and everything that is in the report analysis data, you can join our online classes. Log on to the website iptindia.com. There is the available the complete course details. And our course in the two medium, first in the Hindi and second in the English. Thanks for watching this video. Have a